Here's the shocking truth. If you're a woman over 40 and still eating the way you did in your 20s, you are probably accelerating aging. You're trying to diet harder, eat less, maybe live on salads, yet the scale wouldn't move. Your energy crashes by 3 p.m. and your body feels like it's fighting against you. What if I told you the solution isn't eating less? It's actually eating like an athlete. Right? That's right. Women over 40 need to fuel, recover, and protect their bodies the same way athletes do. Not because we are training for the Olympics, but because aging itself is the ultimate endurance sport. Yes, it is. And if you are not eating like an athlete, you are losing the race before it even starts. You know, when I turned 40, I thought I was doing everything right. I was eating less, skipping meals, pushing myself at the gym. But instead of getting leaner, I felt weaker. My skin was changing. I was constantly tired and my body wasn't responding to the way it used to. Sounds familiar? Then I stumbled across something that completely changed the way I think about food, the way athletes eat. And here's what clicked. Athletes don't starve themselves. They don't live on lettuce. They fuel their body with protein, fat, and nutrients so they can perform, recover, and stay strong. I don't know why we don't do that. And the more I read, the more I realize women over 40 have more in common with these athletes than we think. We both need to protect our muscles, balance our hormones, and fuel for recovery. That's the game changer. Here's the first reason we should eat like an athlete. Muscle is the organ for longevity. After 40, women naturally lose about 1 to 2% of muscle every year. This isn't just toned arms, it's about metabolism, bone strength, balance, and even the way your skin looks. Muscle literally keeps you young. There's even a name for muscle loss as we age. It's called sarcopenia. And it's a big reason why women feel flabby, tired, weak after 40, even when we're trying to do all the right things. Now here's the kicker. Protein is the antidote. I talk a lot about protein because I kind of almost just discovered protein. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2017 shows that women over 40 may need 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kg of body weight daily to maintain muscles. That's almost double what most women eat today. And athletes, they have always known this. They protect their muscles like gold because they know it's the difference between performance and being burnt out. You know, for us, it's the difference between aging fast and aging strong. The second reason is recovery and hormones. When estrogen and progesterone starts declining in perimenopause and menopause, recovery slows down. Your workout feels harder, stress lingers longer, you don't bounce back the way you used to. Athletes fuel to recover, and we should too. Why not? Protein paired with a healthy animal fat provides raw materials for hormones. Food like your beef, your salmon, your eggs, your lamb gives us zinc, vitamin B, iron. All these are critical for energy and hormone health. Research in North America Menopause Society shows that higher protein diets may not only preserve lean muscle, but also support bone density and weight management. So when you eat like an athlete, you are not just protecting your muscles, you are protecting your hormones. Let's look at metabolism and fat loss. Here's a controversial truth. undereating is slowing your metabolism. Women over 40 often fall into the trap of cutting calories lower and lower. But the less you eat, the more your body fights back. You lose muscles, your metabolism slows down, and your weight can stall too. Athletes know better. They fuel their metabolism with protein because protein has higher thermic effects, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. It also keeps you fuller. It cuts the cravings and stabilizes your blood sugar. So if you're wondering why you're craving carbs and sugar all the time, it's not lack of willpower, it's lack of protein. Remember, you can get your protein either through animal source or plant sources. The choice is yours. I just love animal protein. Now, let's make this practical. What does eating like an athlete actually look like for women over 40? It's simpler than you think. Prioritize your protein at every meal. 30 to 40 grams per meal. That's about a palm-sized steak, a fillet of fish, or 3 eggs with chicken. Choose nutrient-dense animal protein. Beef, salmon, sardine, chicken thighs, eggs. These are packed with amino acids, omega-3s, and minerals, and healthy fats. Consider butter, ghee, tallow, eggs. Don't fear these type of fats. They support your hormones and provide long-lasting energy. Stop undereating. Your body isn't a calculator. It's an engine. Athletes don't run on empty. Neither should you. Now let's look at hydration and electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These are not just for athletes. They are for you too. They keep your energy steady and prevent those midday crashes. But here's the biggest shift. Stop seeing yourself as a dieter. Start seeing yourself as an athlete. Because every day you are training for the biggest game of your life, aging well. Think about it. An athlete fuels performance. You need to fuel for energy, recovery, and vitality. An athlete eats to protect the muscles. You need to eat to protect against muscle loss and bone decline. An athlete doesn't starve, they fuel smart, and you should too. When you start eating like this, you will notice more energy, better workouts, glowing skin, fewer cravings, and a body that feels like it's working with you, not against you. So here's the bottom line. If you're a woman over 40, you should be eating like an athlete. Not because you are chasing medals, but because you are chasing quality of life. Protect your muscles, fuel your hormones, support your metabolism. Because aging isn't about slowing down, it's about gearing up, and the way you eat will determine how strong, vibrant, and unstoppable you are in the years ahead. Remember, this aging is the ultimate endurance sport. Endurance sport, it's called. And the best way to win is to eat like an athlete. If this message resonates with you, hit the like, subscribe, and share it with women who needs this reminder today. So my lovely ladies out there, stay strong and remain truly ageless. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and God bless you. Bye-bye.